Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do, and you guys could take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day a little early. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and see what other goodies they have to offer. And I'm not sure where this is coming from, so we're about to be a little surprised. There we go. Little cut. What do we have here? Alright, this is coming from my good friends over at TeckNet. Alright, TeckNet gaming mouse. Certified frustration-free packaging. Ooh. Pretty simple. Oh, really? Oh. Got a cut right here. Eco-friendly. Alright. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Whoa. Got one of these GameCube disc gaming mouse. Drivers. XP Vista 7810. Warranty card. Don't need this. Oh boy. Oh, it is USB. Alright, this is a good backup one. And TeckNet, nice design. Let's see what it feels. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's nice. Let's try it up in here. I'll hook it up to the computer. Just gotta see, got here, got the trackball type thing. You got up, down, up, down, down. Side controls. What is it? M5, M4, M3, M2, M1. And this probably lights up here. Here's the back. Push. What did I push? I pushed something. I felt something come out of here. Whoa. What is this? Oh, batteries. That's kind of odd. Is this never seen a mouse that has like batteries in without being a wireless one. This is USB. Interesting. Maybe because it's a gaming, high power. It's lightweight, smooth. Got a nice grip to it though. The shocker. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna go on to the computer. Be right back. Alrighty, she is lighting up. I'm gonna shut the light off because it looks pretty sweet in the dark. Here we go, look at that. Now we can see the full capability of this thing. Oh yeah, look at that. Got the name right there, TeckNet. Come on, focus. No blur. Autofocus. There we go. Look at that. Got a nice little shine to it. And then these buttons on the side. It's changing. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm just doing my video right now. Oh yeah, it has a nice glide to it. All you Call of Duty people out here in computer land, this is definitely a nice mouse, gaming mouse. Really nice. Nice. Yeah, I'm liking this one. This would be a great stocking stuffer for any computer people, tech people in your family. Definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime Day special. I'll have the links down below. All you gotta do is add it to your cart, and this will be in your house really fast. So that popped up something. I don't have any PC games. I got a PS4. Oh, my PS4 and stuff for that. So, but really not into gaming on the PC, but definitely a nice mouse to have right here. I used to be when I was younger with Leisure Suit Larry and stuff like that, but not the way it is right now. But this is definitely a nice one. Look at a nice glow. I'm digging it. Pretty cool. I like that color right there. Alright, YouTubers, that is it for today. TeckNet on Amazon Prime. Link is down below. Be safe and have a good night.